Belum bisa selesai, masih ada 4 perjuangan yang kita pertaruhkan.
The fight is not finished, guys. There are still 4 matches that we need to fight for.
Guys,
Kidman,
mana Enal? Lihat Enal. Ini anak, ini orang, Senal, Kidman. 30 tahun di PSM.
Enal has been 30 years in this club, in PSM Makassar.
Panggil Enal, mana Enal? Enal, semua bintang yang kalian dapat, 2 bintang di baju kalian. Enal merasakan.
2 stars that you have on your badge here, guys. He was there to witness this.
Bisa bro, enak kuat ya.
Coach Bali United sedang performa yang bagus. Strategi apa yang bisa membangun fitness mereka untuk pertandingan?
Ya, kita sama-sama tahu 2 pertandingan terakhir di kandang mereka banyak mencetak gol. Jadi yang pertama saya sudah tekankan ke pemain bagaimana kita compact dalam hal ini.
Iya, dia pakai umpan yang ini.
Hitungannya apa nih? Percaya diri mereka pak.
Okay guys, let's go. Side skip. Go.
Gerak.
He's not from PSM.
Push.
Sama-sama pertandingan sebelumnya, guys.
Guys, kita keluar ke sana bertarung demi lambang pinisi di dada.
We go out there to fight, guys. We go out there to fight for this logo.
Oke? Saling support satu sama lain,
You support each other.
saling bantu satu sama lain,
Help each other.
saling percaya satu sama lain.
Believe on each other.
Dan yang terpenting, setelah pertandingan, kalian merasakan bahwa kalian telah memberikan segalanya.
But the most important thing after the match, in the end of the match, you feel like you have already given everything, yeah?
Seperti di meeting saya bilang, the first target, bagaimana kita clean sheet.
In the meeting, I said to you, the first target is to get the clean sheet out of this stadium.
Kita tekadkan di sini bahwa kita harus bawa pulang poin dari Bali.
You have to be determined that we need to go back to Makassar with at least a point.
Ewango! Jadi ifrit dong. Kalian
Give up, man. Do not give up. Do not give up. Huh? Listen to Coach Amir. When you win the ball, don't lose the ball easily. Wait for your support. Okay? When you rush things out up front, you will lose energy if you lose the ball. Okay? Good. bisa dirubah.
We cannot change the results anymore.
Tapi kita bisa masih memperbaiki diri sebagai individu, sebagai tim untuk pertandingan ke depan.
But we can still fix ourselves individually and also as a team for the next match.
Belum bisa selesai, masih ada 4 perjuangan yang kita pertaruhkan.
The fight is not finished, guys. There are still 4 matches that we need to fight for.
Oke, hari ini kita kalah, tapi kalau 2 pertandingan terdekat, bayangkan sama Arema kita menang. Selesai, aman.
So, okay, we lose today, but if we win the next 2 matches, Arema and also Bayangkara and also Arema, the job is finished. We secured our place here in the league.
Tapi untuk dapat hasil bagus, per hari ini kita harus berangkulan. Satu keluarga, satu tim.
But to get that result, guys, here in this room, the people in this room, we need to embrace each other.
Tidak boleh
We have to be together.
Tidak boleh ada kata-kata luar salah individu.
Not one word from you to blame, okay, others. This is individual mistake. That is this. No, not to point fingers.
Kalau kalian beranggapan kalian keluarga, kalah sama-sama, menang sama-sama juga.
If you think that this room, the people in this room are family, we lose together, we win together.
Oke, kita terima kekalahan, tapi dengan kepala tegak kalian, dengan 10 pemain, masih bisa bikin peluang.
Okay, we embrace this loss. You, what you saw today on the pitch with just 10 players, you can still make chances.
Saya cuma berharap mentalitas ini kita jaga untuk terutama 2 pertandingan terdekat.
I just want you guys to keep maintaining this mentality for the next 2 matches.
Oke? Sama-sama kita berjuang, masih selesaikan ini. Terutama 2 pertandingan terdekat.
Together we do the job for the next 2 matches, guys.
Percaya bahwa kita masih bertahan di Liga 1 musim depan.
You have to believe that we can do the job for the next 2 matches, and we secure our place in the league for the next 2 matches.
Besok kita pulang, lusa kita recovery.
Tomorrow we come back, and then the day after tomorrow we will have our recovery session on the field in the afternoon.
Dan saling support ya, karena mudah-mudahan teman kita yang di Makassar juga bisa cepat pulih dan bisa bergabung bersama kita untuk berjuang bersama-sama.
Keep supporting each other, guys, and also hopefully the people or the players in Makassar are coming back to the team so that we can help each other as well.
Kami, coaching staff, terima kasih perjuangannya hari ini.
Okay. Thank you for the.
Coba lihat kerja kita hari ini.
See what you did there, guys. See the work that you put in there.
Saya percaya bukan hanya kerjanya teman-teman pemain, tim pelatih,
I believe that this is not only
teman-teman di lain medis,
the work of the players,
kitman apa
coaching
semua kerja
staff,
keras untuk ini.
medical,
Guys,
kitman.
mana Enal? Lihat Enal. Ini anak, ini orang, Senal, kitman. 30 tahun di PSM.
Enal has been 30 years in this club, in PSM Makassar.
Panggil Enal, mana Enal? Enal, semua bintang yang kalian dapat, 2 bintang di baju kalian, Enal merasakan.
2 stars that you have on your badge here, guys. He was there to witness this.
Saya mau kita janji sama dia, kita janji sama Enal, kita tidak bakal buat kenangan tidak baik musim ini buat dia.
I want you guys to promise him, guys, that we will not leave a bad memory for him.
Ya, kita janji sama dia, tidak akan ada cerita buruk untuk PSM musim ini.
We promise him that there will not be a bad story for PSM this year.
Dan saya yakin Enal akan ingat kalian, bukan mereka yang bawa juara, tapi kalian yang fight untuk menjaga namanya PSM.
And I believe Enal will also remember not only the guys who won the championship, guys, but the guys who put on the fight that PSM Makassar will not be degraded.
Bisa kita janji sama dia?
Bisa.
Enal, kau dengar semua pemainmu. Janji nak, kita akan berjuang sampai selesai. Ya, kita berjuang sampai selesai.
We fight until the end.
Oke? Beberapa pemain Salman hari ini operasi, mungkin tidak akan bersama kita sampai akhir musim, tapi kita juga akan berjuang untuk dia.
Salman will have his surgery today. Maybe he's not going to be available for us until the end of the season, but we will give the fight for him as well.
Lihat kerjanya kita. Kita sekarang peringkat berapa? 14, 13, mungkin 14.
We are now on the 14 on the table.
Tapi saya dapat surat minggu lalu dari PSSI untuk persiapan ASEAN Cup dan FIFA Matchday di bulan Juni.
But I got a letter last week for the preparation of ASEAN Cup and one more tournament for June.
Satu pemain kita, Rizky Eka, dapat panggilan tim nasional. Guys, coba lihat. Bahkan di peringkat ini pun kita masih bisa kirim orang terbaik kita di timnas.
Even in this kind of position, guys, we can still send our best players to the national team.
Kita tidak kecil, guys. Kita tidak kecil, kita besar.
We are not small, guys. We are big.
Terserah siapa kita lawan bulan Mei. Saya cuma mau lihat PSM-nya.
It doesn't matter who we fight, who we face in May, guys. I just want to see PSM winning the match at the end of the
Oke,
game.
selesai. Tidak ada lagi kata seandainya.
I don't want to speak again that if this, if that. Okay, I don't want to hear this.
Kita pulang ke Makassar, kita bilang masuk bulan Mei kita akan fight habis-habisan karena saya sudah janji sama orang yang sudah habiskan mungkin setengah dari umurnya untuk PSM.
But we promise one thing, guys. From May, okay, and also we promise to a guy who has already spent maybe half of his age, 30 years for this club.
Ya, bisa teman-teman ya? Kita kerja lagi. Ya.